Yeah, dripping. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video I am going to be styling my blonde hair. Now the video, hopefully that video has gone up before this one. So the video that I have of me dyeing my hair, so I've got a mirror like right here so I can see what's going on. Hey, can you fix up please? The video that you've seen that's gone up before this is actually how I dyed it. You can see that it's already growing out. It's only been like, I think it's been like 3 weeks, but the roots are already coming in and I'm a bit like, please have mercy. It hasn't changed drastically from the last time you saw me. It's only because now it's shorter. It doesn't look like it's shorter, but it's so much shorter. It's just because my shrinkage is the same. I'm just gonna spray some water. Yeah, dripping. And I don't even know anything. So yeah, first, how are you guys doing? I mean, quarantine is lifting. What's the date today? I think it's the 25th. 25th of June. It's a Thursday. Doesn't even feel like a Thursday. Yesterday, I would have argued telling everyone that it was Saturday. It just didn't feel like a Wednesday, which I was grateful for. But yeah, I usually start the front section first. I already know that I'm gonna need some more water because this works best when your water, you know. I can take this so it's not dripping so much. When your hair is dripping wet. Yeah, I'm gonna get some more water. One momento. I got the good. You guys, I got the flow. You got to go. Ow, ow. Now, if you know where that's from, comment down below. If you don't know, I'm sorry for you. But yes, I'm just gonna wet that some more because the t-shirt did a really good job of drying that out. I know this says this is a Detangler, but it works as an excellent leave-in conditioner as well. Like, it really does, and I love it. When I was having my hair cut, my mum evened it out for me. Shout out to you, mum. We realised that this, you see, this crown is dense. Like, man's got, like, it feels like hundreds of thousands of strands versus the like thousands that's like here. It's so dense up there. So that's how I know that my hair was uneven, because I'm just like, that alone is thick. And when I was styling my hair, like, I never experienced that thickness to its fullest. So I was just confused as to why my hair was so thick. So yeah, work that in. Work that proper in. Yeah, you can see that this is so light because I just used the purple shampoo. This was what I was aiming for all over, but this stubborn piece of hair, I said, you know what, God is greater. So I said, I'm not gonna keep trying to dye it. So that I was just running through was the Detangler by Shea Moisture. I'll link the products down below. So I'm now using Castor Oil. Maybe about 2 10p's. Don't know what coin is the same size as 2 10p's. But yeah, I really like to work on the ends first, like just tossing it through. So yeah, it's not dripping anymore and it's too hot. Like, who knew the UK could get so hot? Oh, I did know, it was summer. But I never experienced it, but it's beautiful and I'm not complaining. And then I work back in the same dense area, pour some more, and really be working that in. So I want to seal in this moisture, put a side part in. I don't know whether to actually swoop it. I might swoop it because today how I'm trying. Okay, so I got my side part in. I won't do it too deep. Yeah, that kind of works. Yeah, these are roots coming in. I might have to go over them in like a week or two still. So I put my side part in. I'm actually gonna get some clips. So apparently I could only find one clip and a hairband. Just like that's the story of my life. When I need it, I can't find it. I tell you, when I don't need it, that's when the most want to be showing up. So I'm trying to keep the part open, but obviously because my hair's short, I don't know how much hair I can even hold in this thing. Apparently this much. Okay, so I was watching, what's her name? Lynette Silhouettes. The group channel of her sisters is Natural Sisters, and I've been watching them like for years, like since they started, like so much natural hair inspiration. And she cut her into WTA, TWA, and that was part of what like just gassed me to do it. So I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna cut it and I'll style it as I go along. So I have my Eco Styler gel here, it's the Argan Oil one, and then I'm just gonna start comb. Just grabbing sections where I think there's no gel. This is all experimental. I don't know. What does that look like? I think it's defining. Like, I'm just enjoying discovering my hair, seeing what it can actually do. My roots have really come in. I had no idea. Okay, so how she actually went down, she was going by row, and she was taking it and flipping it like this, and then just breaking it up. The texture, like my hair is so tightly coiled, I absolutely love it. Y'all see that? Curls upon curls. Right, so now we at the part. I don't know what's going to happen. I am not sure, but it has got to be popping. Okay. Oh, maybe I should use a comb, like I mean, I can attempt a finger wave. I'm not even sure. Where is my comb? Okay, so maybe do something like. I might have to put a bobby pin there. I'm not sure. It might actually be alright, but me thinks I'm gonna need a bobby pin because Here's the thing, the hair at the front is actually looser, and it low-key causes a little bit of issues, because if the front is looser and the back isn't, like, okay, maybe it can help me get the like tapered look, but at the same time I'm like, if it's too long, it just looks like it's longer than everywhere else, and then I don't be knowing how to style it. So I might have to tie like something down. Like just at the edges. Like, because it's so blonde, like my edges don't show up. What am I supposed to do with it? So I've been fiddling around for some time now, and I decided to get some bobby pins and start like combing back into like a Mohican, or almost Mohican. Like, it's not like a strict Mohican, but since it's detangled, I think it will look pretty darn good. So I'm just combing it up like this. You're a pal and a confidant. Thank you for being a friend. Have the most random thoughts sometimes, and that's what's just come to my head. So thought I'll sing it for y'all. Do you know what? Is these clips even working out? Look at my top. Okay guys, so this is what I'm dealing with. I have put gel everywhere, and I've pushed back the front portion, and I feel like this is what it's probably going to look like when it's dry. So I'll put a headscarf down and let it dry, and I'll probably just insert some pictures, because I'm actually planning to do a photo shoot later, so I'll insert some pictures of what my hair looks like at that point when it's dry. Okay, so my SD card decided to be full, but I think this is how I'm going to leave my hair. I'm going to try and like toss, the middle's falling funny, but yeah, I'm going to tie a headscarf down to try and get the sides slick, to try and mirror like a Mohican kind of a look. Don't know, you know, but yeah, this is what I'm kind of working with. I might try and pull like some hairs down just to cover the bobby pins, or when it's dry I might even take them out. Yeah, but that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.